I wanted to go over what we went through briefly in class. I'm going to go back to our Power Pivot. Click on Power Pivot at the top. Click in Manage. This is the data that we brought over. If you can remember how we brought it over, once we started Power Pivot, so for example, from a blank worksheet, we just said Power Pivot, went to Manage, Get External Data. From Database, we chose Microsoft Access. We went to go search for it, which was on our C drive. We brought it up. Click Next. It went and select for tables. We chose our tables. Then we highlighted each table. And we actually brought over the filters. We unselected the tables. And then we selected the ones that we needed. I'm not going to do that right now. Click cancel out of that. Next thing we did was we renamed the tabs at the bottom. We got rid of the word dim. Think we might have renamed a column or something. Renamed a column. We went to internet sales. We got our profit by saying equal sales amount minus total product cost. We got our profit. We went to this diagram view in the upper right hand corner. Made our relationships by highlighting and dragging. And then from there, to go back to data view, we click data view. Then from there, we said pivot table, insert pivot chart into a new worksheet. Create our pivot chart, clicked outside the pivot chart, went to Power Query. Went to Insert, Power View. It brought up here, and the three fields that we used was under the product category table. We used English product category name, then went to product subcategory, used in English product subcategory name, and then we went to the internet sales table and did sales amount. We changed here, we clicked inside of here, went to design, bar chart. Oops. Then we drag the English product category name up into tile by. You got that? That's how we got that. We clicked outside the chart to create another chart, whereas we chose English under geography, English county region name, and then we did sales, which was this chart. Clicked on it, went to design, column chart. Then we just got the little hand. If I could drag it. There we go, dragged it here. Expanded it. And the last thing we did was we highlighted gender, dragged it over to here for our filter, marital status, yearly income. And as we notice, if we change this, everything changes dynamically.